Hi all, this is Ashish Kal here, and we are going to talk about important rules from trading perspective. I'm sure every one of you who are trading or investing are doing it on some basis. Lekin there are certain important rules that you have to remember and you cannot forget. So I'm going to talk to you about simple rules. हम सिंपल रूल्स के बारे में बात करेंगे कि ट्रेडिंग में सिंपल रूल्स कौन से अपनाए कि आप अपना सकते हैं जिससे आप एटलीस्ट जब ट्रेड करें तो नुकसान कम हो और प्रॉफिट ज्यादा हो। ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। सो मैं आपको ऐसे 5 रूल बताऊंगा जो आप अभी से इंप्लीमेंट कर सकते हो। इमीडिएटली यू कैन इंप्लीमेंट दिस 5 रूल्स। सो लेट मी वेरी क्विकली शेयर अक्रॉस what are these 5 rules that you can start implementing immediately. Okay, and let me just talk about what are these rules that you have to remember. Rules of the game. देखिए, trading is also like a game. You should remember that it's no different than a game. If you have played a game, there are rules which you follow if you want to win the game. And same thing goes here. What are the rules? The rule number 1. I'm going to talk about 5 rules. Rule number 1. Always understand why are you in the market. Whether you are trading commodity, equities, forex, anything or crypto, you need to understand why are you in the market. You are in the market for as a short term trader, you are in the market for medium term positional trader, or you are in the market as an investor. You need to define very clearly that आप markets में है क्यों. नेक्स्ट, इवेल्युएट योर रिस्क रिवॉर्ड. रिस्क रिवॉर्ड मतलब क्या है? अगर आपका नुकसान हुआ, इफ यू लूज मनी, हाउ मच विल यू लूज, हाउ मच यू आर कंफर्टेबल लूजिंग, और व्हाट इज द लेवल बिलो विच द स्टॉक लुक्स बैड. दैट इज द रिस्क that you are looking at. What is your expectation? Reward, that is known as a reward. What is your expectation? You need to evaluate that risk reward very clearly. कि अगर 5 रुपए का रिस्क है और 10 रुपए का रिवॉर्ड है, माई रिस्क रिवॉर्ड बिकम्स 1:2. देन द ट्रेड बिकम्स डुएबल. सो इवेल्युएट योर रिस्क रिवॉर्ड. यूज ऑफ अ स्टॉप लॉस इज मस्ट. स्टॉप लॉस मतलब क्या? अगर आपको नुकसान हो रहा है तो आप कितने पे निकल जाएंगे. यू डू नॉट मैरी अ स्टॉक एंड कीप इट फॉर लाइफ टाइम. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. काफी जन ट्रेड करते हैं एंड स्टॉक्स गिरते जाते एंड देन दे keep their trading stock as an investment. Do not marry a stock and keep, and use a stop loss is must. बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है ये कि स्टॉप लॉस के साथ ही आपको ट्रेड करना है. नेक्स्ट, नेवर डू अ डॉलर एवरेजिंग. See, dollar averaging means what? If you bought a stock at 100 rupees, it goes to 95, you buy more. It goes to 90, you buy even more. You can do that if you have unlimited supply of money. लेकिन वैसा है नहीं. We all have limited resources which we want to deploy and make money. So average नहीं करना. Okay, when the markets are falling, when the stock is falling, something is not right, and that's why you should not be averaging when you are trading in the market. That is very important. And the final and the fifth rule, which is most important, that if you are not following above rules, then you are not trading or investing, but you are simply gambling. So do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Follow these rules, and trust me, making money is possible if you understand the risk. This is Ashish Kyal here. Before we sign off, just wanted to know, we are SEBI registered research analyst, and you all forms of investment carry certain risks, so you need to evaluate that very clearly. And this session is purely for informational purpose to create awareness, and all the views expressed are personal. OCL or Way Strategy Advisor does not bear any liability for the same. And here is the contact details. Thank you. I hope you start implementing these rules and start increasing your trading accuracy immediately going forward. Thank you. This is Ashish Kal signing off.